guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing great. सुबह का समय है, मीनल भी स्कूल जा चुकी है एंड मीनल के डैडी भी ऑफिस जा चुके हैं। तो मैंने सोचा सुबह से ब्लॉगिंग स्टार्ट करती हूँ, इसलिए क्योंकि फिर होता है ना कि अच्छा करूँगी करूँगी करके रह जाता है वो। तो बस मैंने सोचा कि आज सुबह से ब्लॉगिंग स्टार्ट करूँगी एंड आज मुझे मीनल के स्कूल भी जाना है, उसके स्कूल में कल्मिनेटिंग है। तो मैंने सोचा दीदी को आज मैं थोड़ा जल्दी बुला लेती हूँ ताकि अपना मॉर्निंग रूटीन जो भी है वो सारा हो जाए, उसके बाद मैं निकलूँ। सो आप देख सकते हैं घर की हालत पूरी बिखरी पड़ी है। लंच एंड ब्रेकफास्ट तो बन गई है, बस मुझे डस्टिंग करना है और मैं डस्टिंग करके अपना जो भी छोटा मोटा और भी काम है वो सारा मैं कर लेती हूँ। तब तक तो दीदी भी आ जाएगी और चलिए फिर मिलती हूँ आप लोगों से। सो गाइस, मैं पहुँच गई स्कूल, देख सकते हैं टाइम पे ही पहुँची हूँ अभी, बल्कि मुझे थोड़ा वेट भी करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि वो लोग ऊपर जाने नहीं देंगे। सो मैं थोड़ा वेट करती हूँ।
Here, right?
Creating a puppet theatre can be a fun and rewardable activity. Here's a step-by-step guide that can help you create your own puppet theatre. Here, my friends Minal, Kritika, Achintya, Devansarovar and Mahiran will explain you how to make an amazing puppet theatre.
The materials required to make a puppet theatre are glue, tape, scissors, decorative items, chart paper, butter paper, and a torchlight.
Prepare the structure. If you are using cardboard box, cut out one side of the cardboard to make a large opening for the stitch. Put butter paper on it.
Decorate the exterior. Use chart paper, paint, wrapping paper to decorate the exterior of your puppet theatre. Get creative and draw diagrams, patterns or images that are related to the topic of your puppet shows. Before using the puppet theatre for performances, test all the components to ensure everything works smoothly. Make necessary adjustments to improve functionality and performance quality. Remember to have fun as you can create your own puppet theatre, whether it's entertaining friends or family or putting on elaborate productions. Your puppet theatre is sure to be creative and joy to all experience it. Popsicle stick, chart paper, glue, scissor, tape, and etc. Choose your puppet style and decide which type of puppet you want to make. If you want to make a puppet using fabric or if you want to make a puppet using paper.
Depending on the materials you are using, cut out the desired shape of the puppet's body. Get creative with the decorating your puppet.
If you want to control the puppet's movement, attach sticks to the puppet's body. Here we use popsicle sticks.
It will allow us to manipulate the puppet's movement during the performance.
If you have used glue or paint, allow the puppet to dry completely before playing with it.
Once your puppet is complete, it's time to play and perform. Use your imagination to bring the puppets to life and create scenes and stories for them to star in.
Remember, there's no right or wrong way to make puppets. Let your creativity guide you and make sure to have fun with the puppets.
And protective, curlew, selfish, frog, quick and agile.
The story's name is Coyote Steals Fire. This is based upon Native American beliefs on how animals got fire. Long, long ago, fire belonged to a heavenly being named Curlew. It was selfish and guarded fire on a mountain. Animals suffered in the coldness of winter, and so many died. An animal named Coyote and his friends decided to steal fire from Curlew.
Hey everyone, winter has arrived and we need to start thinking on how to stay warm.
I agree, it's gotten cold and we should find a way how to keep ourselves warm.
I have a plan to make us have warmth. High on the peak of the mountains, guarded by a heavenly being called Curlew, lies a flame that can warm us through the coldest of winters.
Curlew is so powerful and nice. How are we going to take fire? How are we going to take fire from such a guardian?
We must use our wits to outsmart Curlew. Beaver, you are quick and agile. Frog, your ability to distract is crucial. Grizzly bear, your strength and ferocity will intimidate Curlew. Together we can outsmart Curlew and bring fire to our home.
हे कीमती बच्चे, फिर भी क्यों नंगे पैर सड़क पर भीख मांगते और अपनी किस्मत की रेखा को जूते बर्तनों में घीसते?
घर, बाजार और कारखानों में रोज बिकते हैं। हम रोज ये सुनते, पढ़ते, देखते और सो जाते हैं।
देर से ही सही, अब जाग जाते हैं और इन बच्चों को उनका हक दिलाते हैं।
Story of a day not long ago. Growing in a forest north of Rio de Janeiro. I was cool, I was relaxed, I was growing conscious, but everything went south when my friend
Where were you for the last few days? I didn't see you at all. In fact, we missed you during your calculating practice.
I have been to London last week. My dad had a few assignments there, so we thought we could visit a few places as well.
Daddy, how was your trip to London?
Actually, the journey was a little tiring. We didn't get a direct flight since we booked our flight at the last moment. So first, we took a flight to Dubai, then stayed there for 2 days. The next day, we flew to London.
Oh, that's great. You could have visited two places. So, how did you manage that? Were you able to pay the bills?
Now, it's simple. The moment we reach a new country, we exchange our money with their currency. Do you know what is the currency of Dubai?
I think it's Minal.
You know what is the value of it?
I don't know.
1 Indian is 22 rupees and 56 paise.
Oh my god!
Let me introduce a few currencies.
Hi friends, I'm Mia. I'm the currency of Turkey. My value is 1 Turkish lira is equal to 2.64 Indian rupees.
I'm not. I'm the currency of London. My value is 1 million rupees equals to 340
Hi friends, I am Anna. I am the currency of Turkmenistan. My value is 1 Turkmenistan dinar, which equals to 23 rupees and 66 paise. Minal, I have a special quiz prepared for our parents on this culminating day. Will you join me for that?
Yes, of course.
Can you please brief them in the rules?
Yes, of course. Dear parents, we would like to divide everyone into two groups according to their seating arrangement. Right team A, left team B. There are 2 rounds for the quiz. The first round is the preliminary round and the second is the rapid round. Each team will be asked 6 questions. In the first round, the team will be asked 3 questions. If the team is not able to answer, the question will be passed to the next team. And each question carries 1 mark.
The second round is the rapid round. Each team will be given a bell and each question will be displayed on the PPT. Whichever team rings the bell first has to answer it. If it is wrong,